Facebook's metaverse, Tesla's self-driving cars, Google's AI DeepMind defeating the world champion in Go, Amazon's cashierless stores. In the face of these technological leaps, one can't help but wonder, are we inching closer to a world where humans are obsolete? AI predicting stock market trends better than financial analysts, drones delivering parcels, robot chefs preparing your favorite meal, digital journalists writing news stories. Are these glimpses of a future where technology replaces humans in every sphere of life? Welcome back to Hubble Tech. Today we're diving into a question that's been simmering in the minds of many. Will technology replace humans? Stick around as we embark on this fascinating exploration, backed by real-world examples from leading tech giants to groundbreaking startups. In this episode, we'll delve into the sweeping changes brought about by technology and AI and ask the question, will technology replace humans? We'll explore real-life examples from the likes of Google and Amazon to innovative startups making waves in the tech world. By the end of our journey, we'll aim to have a better grasp of this complex and compelling topic. So let's dive right in. Let's start with the life-saving capabilities of technology. Consider Da Vinci Surgical System by Intuitive Surgical, a robotic surgical platform that allows surgeons to perform complex procedures with enhanced precision. This technology has revolutionized surgical procedures, minimizing invasiveness and potentially saving countless lives. In the realm of AI, DeepMind, Google's AI branch, has developed an AI system, AlphaFold, that can predict protein structures with remarkable accuracy. This breakthrough could vastly accelerate research in biology and medicine, unlocking treatments for diseases that were previously out of reach. Turning to communication, tech companies like Microsoft and Zoom have changed the way we connect and work. With their video conferencing technologies, remote work is now a viable and often preferred option. This shift has given people more flexibility, improved work-life balance, and even opened up new opportunities for those in remote or underserved areas. In the battle against climate change, Tesla has become a household name. Tesla's electric cars and energy storage solutions, like the Powerwall, are pushing us towards a more sustainable future. Similarly, companies like NextEra Energy are transforming the energy sector with wind and solar power technologies. And in education, technology has democratized learning like never before. Platforms like Khan Academy and Coursera have made quality education accessible to millions who might not have had these resources. And with VR and AR technologies, companies like Google, through its Google Expeditions project, are creating immersive educational experiences, enhancing student engagement and learning outcomes. Through these real-world examples, we see that technology isn't just about shiny gadgets or novel conveniences. It's a powerful tool that can drive significant improvements in our quality of life, our society, and even our planet. But as with any powerful tool, there are risks and downsides. Let's explore the potential dark side of these advancements next. Let's start with job displacement due to automation. According to the World Economic Forum, automation could displace 85 million jobs by 2025. Companies like Amazon are at the forefront with their automated warehouses where robots do much of the heavy lifting, potentially threatening jobs in the logistics sector. Alongside automation, there's the looming threat of cyber attacks. The 2017 Equifax breach, where hackers gained access to the personal data of 147 million people, is a chilling reminder of what's at stake. As our lives become more digitally interconnected, the risks posed by such attacks only grow. Moreover, the impact of technology on mental health can't be ignored. The rise of social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram has led to concerns about screen addiction and its effects on mental health, particularly among young people. Cyberbullying and the pressure to maintain a perfect online image have also been linked to increased anxiety and depression. And then there's the threat to our information ecosystem. Deepfakes, synthetic media created with AI, can manipulate video and audio to make it appear as if someone has said or done something they haven't. This technology has the potential to disrupt everything from personal relationships to political elections. Lastly, there's the risk of AI systems making decisions that humans don't understand or agree with. Consider Microsoft's AI chatbot, Tay, which started posting offensive tweets after being targeted by internet trolls. This incident highlights the potential for AI systems to behave unpredictably, especially when they're learning from the vast and unfiltered data of the internet. These examples underscore the darker side of technology. They serve as a reminder that while technological advancements can bring immense benefits, they can also introduce new challenges and risks. As we hurtle into a tech-driven future, it's crucial that we address these concerns and develop strategies to mitigate potential harms. The debate on whether technology will replace humans is a complex one, with passionate arguments on both sides. Tech optimists, like futurist Ray Kurzweil, believe in a symbiosis of humans and machines. According to Kurzweil, we will merge with machines in what he calls the singularity, enhancing our cognitive abilities and longevity. On the other hand, tech skeptics warn of job displacement. MIT professors Eric Brynjolfsson and Andrew McAfee, authors of The Second Machine Age, argue that rapid digital advancement may outpace our ability to adapt, leading to significant job displacement. Then there's the AI safety perspective. Experts like Nick Bostrom and Elon Musk caution about the potential risks of advanced AI. They stress the need for robust AI safety measures, emphasizing that we should aim not just to build intelligent machines, but also to ensure they are aligned with human values. But amidst these concerns, solutions are being proposed. Microsoft's Brad Smith talks about a skills-based economy, advocating for significant investment in training and education programs to equip people with the skills needed for the jobs of the future. Meanwhile, the European Union has proposed AI regulations aimed at ensuring AI systems are transparent, traceable, and accountable. This could be a step towards managing the potential threats posed by AI. As we can see, the question of whether technology will replace humans is not a simple one. It's entangled with issues of ethics, economy, policy, and even the very definition of what it means to be human. As we grapple with these questions, one thing remains clear: the decisions we make today will shape our technological future. So, will technology replace humans? From what we've explored, it's clear that the answer isn't black and white. Technology brings numerous benefits but also carries potential risks. What matters most is how we manage this transition. As we step further into this brave new world of tech, our actions and decisions will shape whether technology ends up replacing us or, as many hope, becoming a tool that helps us unlock our full potential. Over to you now. What's your take on technology replacing humans? Let's keep this conversation going. Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video thought-provoking, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to Hubble Tech for more deep dives into the world of technology. Until our next journey, stay curious.